How to accept Slack invitation. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to accept Slack invitation. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to accept someone's Slack invitation, go ahead and open Mail on your device as all the Slack invitations are sent directly to your inbox. Now, go ahead and open the invitation mail. Scroll down and you will see the Join Now button. Tap on that and you will be then asked to create an account if you do not already have one. You can also continue with Google or continue with Apple. Once signed up or signed in, you can see the invitation has been accepted successfully to your Slack. So this is how you can accept a Slack invitation. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.